Okay, on this video today, I'm going to use the soft drink setting. So that's minus 2.1. And we have regular 7-Up. This is all room temperature. Ocean spray, cranberry. So I'm going to put the whole container of this, and then I'm going to put about half of this. Just so it's not too sour. I just want to add a little bit of the cranberry juice flavor to it. So we'll put this on. We'll add our 7-Up. So this is 1 liter. You can slowly see that the temperature is slowly dropping. So this one here is 739 milliliters. Of course, this one is 1,000 milliliters, 1 liter. So I'm close to half. And we'll come back and check this in 10 minutes and see how it's progressing. Okay, this is after 10 minutes. It's now at minus 1.2 Celsius. And we'll come back and check after about another 10 minutes. Okay, this is now after 20 minutes. So we're at minus 1.9 Celsius. So we're getting close, and as you can see, it's a lot thicker. So we'll come back and check it if it takes another 10 minutes. But it's really close. Okay, this is at 23 minutes. It beeped. So it's at the minus 2.1 setting. So we're going to pour this, and this looks just perfect. Of course, it always comes out at first a little bit watery. This will be thicker when you pour it. How's it taste? Just awesome. Now we'll pour the second one. Now if that was too watery or too thin for you, you could still press the thickness button. So it's totally up to you how you want to make this, but you have that option. Thanks for watching.